My name is anathi'amawethu, student number 27221091. These are my ingredients for the first starter. This is the beef broth, beef stock, the chopped onions, the butter, and the pepper, and then the bread. These are my ingredients. So here, as you can observe, I'm thinly chopping the onions to make sure they achieve their consistency with the right length. Here we've achieved that caramelized stage. These are my ingredients for the main course. This is the liver, the finely minced garlic, the salt and pepper for taste, the sauce, the peri peri sauce, and the lemon juice, as well as the butter. As you can see here, this is a demonstration on how to properly mince a garlic. So here I'm showing a demonstration on how to properly mince a garlic. Here I am showing thick slices, thick chops of a potato for my mashed potato. In this bowl, I have 100 grams of flour in which I use to prepare the pancakes for the khepsuzete. So here I'm adding the salt to taste and then whisking it around so that it can properly mix together. And then I'm adding the 2 large eggs in which I'm going to put in the center after making a wow. Then from here, I'll gradually mix while continuously adding milk till I have achieved that wet consistency. Here is just a demonstration on how I mixed all my ingredients after making the sauce, the syrup, the orange syrup for the kgebsuzete. So here I'm just plating my pancakes inside the golden syrup. After successful plating and cooking, these are the results of the French onion soup, along with the cream cheese and the French bread. Here is my platter with the mashed potato and the peri peri chicken livers. And finally, here we have the crepe Suzette in all its form.